What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the trade that I passed my funded account with. As you see, I'm up 3K. I passed it in 1 week, 3 trades, 3 winners, 100% on the week. So yeah, you're going to see that live trade right under here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of pushback. I mean, we have continuation lower. I think we should definitely take it. We'll see. Not the best entry, but I think we should be fine. We're protected by this inverse. It's just if we're gonna see a mean reverse. Which looks like we might. This doesn't look good. No, don't do it. Don't do it to me. No. That's the CIC. We need this to hold right there. I mean, that's what I get for being impatient if it gets stopped. Doesn't look too good. Dang it. I mean, that's, we would want to see this CIC hold, the inverse hold. It looks pretty clean, just, we'll see. Need to see some hard sell. Some hard sell. Don't have the best entry though, is the thing. But we can get ES to break some lows, I think we'll be way fine. Put it in, I smack a ass. Cut on my Fiji right there. I don't have my stop at the protected high like I would like. I want to see some legs down, but let's see. Not the best entry out of me. I'm not happy with this entry. Five-minute looks good. I don't want to see a double inverse. Just such a bad fill though. Terrible entry. I'm very confident in this. Just need to see some sell. Looks like ES is gonna break the low. Lean the beams on my shit together. Better watch your mouth. Probably gonna pull stop when we take that low. I think we're fine though. Definitely gonna pull this. Can't be break even because of bad entry, but I wanna see us fall heavy. I don't give a damn if I did it, then you can. Gambling won 100 grand and started with 2 bands. ES is finally breaking the levels. We should be fine. I'm gonna see us keep falling. We should get it. Okay, should be enough. Give it to me. Give it to me. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, I did it. I did it. Holy shit, boys. Dang. Um, Now to recap the trade, basically all it was is I was struggling with the bias going into the market, right? So yesterday we had the big 4 hour sell off right here. So I was a little bit bullish today, but then I kind of recognized the internal structure, which I think was the key overall. Because so at first I looked at this, I was like, okay, we're kind of in an AMD model here, right? We're accumulating, but then I looked at this and I was like, well, we do have this hourly change in the state right here that we're respecting. So I zoom in a little more and I say, okay, well, we do have this big 15-minute right here that we haven't disrespected yet, right? We haven't disrespected this 15-minute, which is also the 30-minute. So before before I before I go long, I want to see kind of like what is going to be validated or invalidated to like validate this setup, right? So 15-minute is going to be 1 minute marker maker and buy model. I was looking for these two things to get inversed right here. Once both these bullish imbalances get inversed, I become even more bearish, targeting this is the draw right here, this low. So then looking at the 15-minute, I wait for 9:45. We get this 15-minute close to validate the structure shift on the 15-minute, right? And then you see, what's up, Gabe? I passed my account today. I'm doing my recap real quick. So I see we get these two inverses right here. So now I'm really just looking for an entry. My entry really was kind of terrible. Wasn't the best. I just saw after we already inversed this 5-minute, we were respecting this 3-minute right here. Right, so we were expecting this 3 minute, so I enter somewhere like right around here, and I kind of just have my stops at the top of the 3 minute because I didn't really want to see us above it. And then I just needed to make a K today. This is what I took right here. So I just needed to make 1 grand today to pass my account. So this was kind of the setup right here. So I believe we will go to this low right here, but I didn't need all that. I just needed, a couple points passed the account. So my entry did definitely lack, and I had a tighter stop just because I didn't really think we would get this CISD, the 15-minute CISD, the double inverses, all to go higher. So this was, I could have got stopped out. Luckily, I didn't. I mean, I dealt with some drawdown just because my entry did lack, but I had my stop here. Not the worst stop, but definitely could have been a better stop. Should have had a limit set probably at like the 15-minute CISD would have been a more probable place. But basically, 15-minute fair value gap is going to be a 1-minute market maker model. It was pretty clear overall. You have this liquidity getting taken right here, right? This could be your sell stop rate also up here. The standard deviation aligns pretty cleanly with the model, right? As you see, this is the sell side of the curve, right? Sell side of the curve is what we took. Kind of took the second low risk buy. The first low risk buy would have been, the inverse. Definitely should have had like higher stops looking back just to really protect myself. But I thought we would fall like this. Yeah, very clean. We built up. You see clearly take internal, sell off displacement. Just kind of entered off conviction. I really was trusting this model. After we had the 15-minute CISD and the double inverse, like this bearish bullish about to get to inverse and this one, there's really no reason for us to continue higher with those confluences getting invalidated. And then so my entry was really like right here. Because I was in for how many cons? I want to talk to you about that. I do. I really want to. I was in for 10 cons, I think. Yeah. And my stop was like 800, so like something like my entry was not the best, so something like that. Just a little 1 to 2, 1 to 1.67. But yeah, this is the trade on how I passed my funded account. If you guys enjoyed the video, would appreciate if you guys like and subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Free Discord link in the description. Stay true and God bless.